My YouTube channels have passed over 10 billion total views, but if I were you, here's what I would do when starting a YouTube channel. First of all, you want to pick the right niche, so you can have the best title, the best thumbnail, and the best video editing in the world, but if your video topics are something that no one is interested in, then you're not gonna get any views, or if it's not something that is profitable, you're not gonna make any money. So it takes some time to choose the right niche because it's extremely important. Number 2, be consistent and post at least one video every single week. I know a lot of people who would start their YouTube channel, they would post one video today and then in 3 weeks another video. No, post at least one video a week and be consistent with it. And lastly, do proper research and see what's actually performing well in your niche. If you want to post cooking videos, find big channels that are already posting cooking videos, scan their videos, see what's performing well, and just do that. You see, it's actually extremely easy to get a lot of views with YouTube Shorts, but it's hard to make money. I mean, for example, this channel got 84 million views, but it only made $100. While this channel got 100 million views and didn't make a single dollar. Or this channel got me 500 million views, but I only made $1,000. Or this channel 200 million views, but that's $0 in ad revenue. So instead of relying on ad revenue and the YouTube Shorts fund, which as you can see isn't gonna make you any money, you should be using alternative monetization options, which are affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, brand deals, print on demand, and selling physical and digital products. Here are 3 different ways to get more views on YouTube. Number 1, look at your competition. So you will make a list of 10 different channels that are in your niche and look at their latest 30 videos. See if there's a video that's popping off. If on average all of their videos are getting 10,000 views and one video got 30,000 views, you want to look at that video and replicate what they did in there. Get a similar title, make a similar thumbnail, and make overall a similar video with your own twist. Number 2, use tools like vidIQ to do research. And number 3, focus on boosting these 3 metrics, which are the most important ones on YouTube, and those are watch time, engagement, and CTR. If you can get these as high as possible, then YouTube algorithm will reward you and you will get more views. Follow me to learn more about YouTube for free. Well, it's honestly way better to have like videos posted on your YouTube channel than to have them like on Instagram or TikTok, because when you post something on YouTube, it's gonna stay there forever, and YouTube can literally recommend your videos after 10 or 20 years, and you can still keep on getting views. But when you post something on Instagram or TikTok, it's literally relevant for the next 7 days or so. Does this mean that the more views you get, the less money you make? You see, this video that I posted got 1 million views but made $23,000. And then this video that I posted got 2.5 million views but only made $16,000. And this video that I made got 3 million views but only made $23,000. So according to this, the more views you get, the less you get paid. Of course, it's not always like that.